Looking for the best furnace filters to keep your home air clean and your HVAC system running smoothly? You're in the right place. We upload quality videos daily to help you make smarter choices on the products that matter most. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Number 1. Filtrete MPR 1200 Odor Reduction Air Filters. Those who want to have excellent air filtration without breaking the bank can rely on this electrostatic option from Filtrete. This 2-pack of filters comes with a MERV 11 rating, an MPR 1200 rating, and an active carbon layer that filters odors and smoke, mildew and mold, as well as fine dust, pollen, and fine particles. Each of the filters lasts for more than 3 months and is compatible with furnaces, HVAC systems, and air conditioners. Plus, this AC furnace filter comes in many sizes and in multiple quantities to accommodate most users' furnaces and long-term needs. Exclusive technology. Air filter designed with exclusive Filtrete 3 in one technology to pull in and trap unwanted particles, allowing cleaner air to flow through, plus a unique active carbon layer to help minimize strong odors. Number 2. AIRx Allergy MERV 11 Pleated Air Filter. Available in a 1-inch nominal thickness, 0.75-inch actual thickness, a host of sizes, and completely disposable, the best allergy furnace filter pick goes to the AIRx Allergy MERV 11 Pleated Air Filter. It's pleated and designed with extra density to trap airborne allergens that can trigger allergy symptoms. It's also good at blocking smoke and odors. The MERV 11 Pleated Air Filter is dense and helps keep allergens from recirculating through a home's ductwork. For the best air quality, use this filter in conjunction with other allergen-reducing measures, such as a vacuum with a HEPA filter and an air purifier to keep airborne allergens at bay. Number 3. Filter King AC Furnace Air Filter. Those living in a humid region may want to consider the Filter King MERV 8 filter with mold protection that's designed to trap pollutants, including mold spores, yet allow free airflow through the filter to reduce the risk of mold or mildew growth. This disposable pleated furnace filter is available in a variety of nominal 1 and 2-inch thick sizes to fit a wide range of furnaces. The manufacturer recommends replacing it every 3 months at a minimum. Meant for residential or commercial use, these filters also trap auto emissions, humidifier dust, and Legionella. However, this pleated furnace filter is not the best when it comes to tobacco smoke, bacteria, virus carriers, and microscopic allergens. Number 4. Nordic Pure Pleated MERV 12 Air Filters. Changing furnace filters is a snap with Nordic Pure MERV 12 air filters that block a high level of dust and other airborne pollutants that could otherwise end up in the furnace or recirculating throughout a home. These disposable pleated air filters are hypoallergenic and feature electrostatic fibers that attract pollutants, and they resist mold and mildew growth. These AC furnace filters are 1-inch thick and come in a variety of sizes. Because these filters offer a high MERV rating of 12, they may clog more quickly than filters with lower scores. Depending on how often a furnace runs, users may need to replace them more often than every 3 months. Measure your air filter for the exact size and compare it to our actual size to ensure proper fit. Number 5. Aerostar Allergen and Pet Dander MERV 11 Air Filter. For homes with pets, check out the disposable pleated Aerostar Allergen and Pet Dander MERV 11 Air Filter that blocks a high number of airborne particles, including pet fur and pet dander. This high-efficiency, electrostatic filter attracts particles and traps them in place. This pleated furnace filter is available in a range of sizes and nominal thicknesses from 1 to 4 inches, making it an excellent choice for a variety of furnaces and return air vent compartments. The Aerostar manufacturer recommends changing this filter every 2 to 3 months in the fall and spring, and monthly during heavy furnace use, such as during the winter months. Designed to filter microscopic particles such as lint, dust mites, spores, pollen, pet dander, fine dust, and smoke. Simple to install and a cost-effective step towards a healthier home environment. For best results, change your filters every 60 to 90 days, but increase frequency to 30 days during peak summer and winter months. 100% synthetic electrostatic media for high efficiency with low airflow resistance. Manufactured by Filtration Group, a world-leading manufacturer and supplier of filtration solutions, making the world safer, healthier, and more productive.